the big old wheel keeps on going round. I don't recall when my feet last hit solid ground. I don't feel I can ever take a step ahead when I'm two steps behind and trying to catch up instead. I see the years disappear as time expires. They fade away so fast and I barely realize. I feel as though my dreams are leaving me behind. I need to live every breath before these moments they go away for good. I need to live every breath so regret won't consume my home. Hold the hands on the clock, they don't stop, they keep on turning into hours, which become days. So before I put those days to rest, I'll try to live every breath. My heart can't beat idle anymore. Its cadence has become too hard to ignore. As I write my life and craft a tale, I wanna feel every line and live outside the page. As days spent with family and friends pass me by occupied, I see the years buried deep within their eyes. Yet here I am, constrained by the same old damn alibis. I need to live every breath before these moments they go away for good. I need to live every breath so regret won't consume my home. Oh, the hands on the clock, they don't stop, they keep on turning into hours, which become days. So before I put those days to rest, oh, I'll try to live every breath. Live every breath. I stood there in her hospital room while she exhaled for the last time. I turned instead out the window at the frozen fields below where the birds rose, and lifted her soul up into the sky. Oh, and I realized that time goes by faster than I know, and I'm not gonna lie, I feel my life is out of control. Oh, the hands on the clock, they don't stop, they keep on turning into hours, which become days. So before I put those days to rest, oh, I'm gonna live every breath. So I don't look back with regrets before these moments are laid to rest.